So let's do it. Hello, good morning. It's a bright morning, 10 a.m. in Africa, in Kenya specifically. Just woke up late though. Yeah, I got tired the previous day. The sun is already up. You can imagine the kind of person I am, waking up at 10 a.m. in the morning when people are already doing something good for this nation. So I need to do some cleaning, and this is it. I need to wash this. So please subscribe if you're new. Welcome to my channel. If you just subscribed, this is Ronnie the Nomad in Kenya, Africa. Yes, for those who have been watching my videos, thank you so much. People from South Africa, Australia, US, and the other places, welcome. So it's about to rain. Probably today it will rain earlier than the yesterday. You see the clouds are gathered. What was the name of that cloud? Is it Nimbus or Cumulonimbus? I don't know. That was... So this is the clothes. So I've been running around without cleaning. So I'm going to use this soap. Okay, this is the soap I'm going to use. Water here. There's a lot to do actually. So let's do it. So as we do laundry this way, we don't have those machines. Yeah? In most towns and developed places, they have dishwasher, laundry machine. But here we do everything by hand. I need to get another basin here to do this. So I'll put these ones here so that I can rinse. Right? I'll get back to you later when they are clean. Now, since the clothes are on the hanging line, so I just wait for them to dry up. Though the clouds are already up, so it's gonna rain in a few, but at least it would have dried. It would have drained some water a little bit. So I have to clean this room here to make sure it's clean. So this is what we use. This is what we use. Sorry for my, I'm allergic to dust. So what's happening to my nose? What's the remedy to that? Yeah. So I have to clean this room, make sure that the table is clean, everything is there, the bed is well done. So I have to mop and do something else. Yes. Just something very, very, very easy. So sorry.